Hello everyone, it's Zedley and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very special dish that has a lot of my childhood memories. It's called Bánh Lọc or Bánh Bột Lọc. Back in my hometown in Vietnam, Huế, this dish is sold everywhere, on the street, in the restaurant, so basically we rarely make it at home since it's very accessible. Since living in the US, I don't have that kind of privilege. I would have to make the dish on my own. However, I find spending time making the dish is very enjoyable. So with the ingredients, you will need, of course, tapioca flour, 1 bag, 12 ounces, which is about 340 grams. 1 cup of chopped shrimps or baby shrimps, if you can find them. 1 cup of cooked pork belly, some shallot, chopped green onion and cilantro. And don't forget that you will definitely need fish sauce for this dish. So let's get started. First up, we're going to make the filling. Heat up a pan and add in 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We are going to make the caramel for the color. And as the sugar turns brownish, I'm going to add in the shallot. And then the shrimp. We're going to stir fry it till it kind of comes up. Then add in the meat. For seasoning, add in 3 full tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of water. We are going to let this cook until the sauce kind of thickens up like this. Then add in the chopped onion and cilantro with a pinch of black pepper. Now we are going to make the dumpling dough. As you use a bag of tapioca flour, remember to save about a ½ cup of the flour just in case the dough is somewhat wet. I'm throwing in a pinch of salt. And we will use 1 cup of boiling water. And remember that the water needs to be super hot because otherwise it won't work. The hot water will cook some of the flour and turns it into a type of glue that holds everything together. So now I'm going to knead the dough. Be patient with this, everything will come together. I'm feeling the dough a little bit wet and sticky, so I'm gonna add in some extra flour. Okay, looking good. It's ready to make into dumplings. So just a reminder that is no pressure when this is homemade. So don't worry too much about the disproportionate sizes that you make. I'm cutting the dough into small portions. Then I'm going to roll it in my palms and flatten it with my fingers like this. Don't go too thin since the stuffing can easily poke through the skin and we don't want that. Now you can just continue doing this with the rest of the dough and enjoy your favorite shells. So there are two ways you can enjoy these. You can either boil them or a less popular way, fry them. I personally like to fry them. So to boil them, you will need some water. At boiling point, throw in the dumplings and wait until every one of them start to float to the surface. That's when you know they're cooked. Next, drain them and put them in cold water for about 5 minutes. Now, after this stuff, you can just strain them, add in a little bit of oil, and serve. But I'm just gonna mix these with some fried shallot, chili pepper, fish sauce, and a little bit of chopped green onion and cilantro. So there you have it, boiled Bánh Bột Lọc. Doesn't that look good? Now I'm going to also fry some of them to check the oil. When you dip the chopsticks into the oil and see it bubble past it aggressively, it's ready to fry. Okay, throw in the dumplings. Don't worry too much if they tend to stick together. Now we're not trying to fry them until golden brown, but one way to check if they're good to go is to press the chopsticks against the dumplings and you feel they're hard like a rock, then you know they're ready. So there you go, fried Bánh Bột Lọc. So yummy, huh? So which side are you on? What is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. See you next time. Peace out.